A lot of people love this sport. For me, I've based almost all my life decisions around it. And if you think that's crazy, you'd be absolutely right.
Oh, that feels so good!
So my name is Jeff Shaner. I'm a backcountry guide and filmmaker. Like many people, I grew up around sleds. We're 4 generations deep. Sledding just runs in the Shaner blood.
There's a crazy kid.
You know, snowmobiling was just always a priority in our lives. Spending time with each other in the backcountry was worth more than a new car or a fancy house. Even with as much passion as my family had for snowmobiling and how much it was a part of our lives, they still worked normal jobs, had to put meat on the table, and it's something we never really even considered like trying to make a living off of. And plus, snowmobiling is unfortunately seasonal. We have to wait for white flakes to fall from the sky before we can ride. So in the summers, I had to find something to do to kill time until snowmobile season, and so I played a lot of sports growing up. Was lucky enough to get a scholarship to go play college baseball. Pursued that dream for a little bit, and I quickly realized that I was not gonna go pro. I really struggled with what to do with my life after college, as most young 20-year-olds do. I don't wanna get too sappy. This isn't a sappy film. You know, I wanna bring the boys up and inspire people, but you know, a lot of people are afraid to admit that they've struggled in life, and I certainly was there in my early 20s, but it's true what they say, really. How you handle adversity is what defines you. And I wouldn't want to go through that time again, but I have, it taught me a lot about myself. And, it's funny, sometimes in your darkest moments, you kind of find what you're looking for. And for me, it was kind of this rebirth of my love for snowmobiling. I had to sell all my stuff to pay bills while I was at school, and being a broke college student, I had no means to pay for a snowmobile. It wasn't until I gave up the sport entirely that I realized I could do something with it. Kind of started thinking about becoming a guide, and that was the quickest way for me out of college to pay for a snowmobile, and so that's what I did.
We got clients, we're guiding, snow is epic, it's gonna be a beautiful day, let's do it.
With guiding and just business in general, I had to learn how to promote my business. And my dad had an old Canon Rebel camera laying around. Eventually, I ended up liking cameras a lot, way more than I ever thought I would. So I ended up pursuing a career in the film world outside of snowmobiling. And those two worlds have led us to where I am right now.
And you know that it's over, yeah. You wanna beat 'em up? Do you have what it takes? What it takes? Rock and roll. Yes, rock and roll.
Let's go! Hi, Road Pal!
I'm gonna work for the man. I'm gonna think like a soldier. You tell your mama so, but she says you're a joker. You're a joker. You've been waiting in line. You've been waiting a long time. Sweet.
It was a little tough at the beginning because I was truly a no one. I still, to this day, am so thankful for those early clients, because who in the hell would take a shot with me,
Woo! Come on, boy. Get out!
Still have some of those clients come back every year, and it's just awesome. I guess really what I want to accomplish with this video is that it's not a video about, oh, look, we've made it. I guess what I really want to do is just kind of inspire people. I want to inspire you to get out of your comfort zone, because when I was going through those hard times, You know, I had a decision to make. I guess I decided that it's better to give it hell and try my best. And if it fails, at least I tried. I want to be in my 80s and regret never trying. There's so many more things that I want to accomplish, that so many more plans, so many more ideas. You know, I want to get better as a filmer. I want to get better as a writer. I feel like this video is hard to make because there's so many people in this industry that I look up to and respect, and I look at what they've accomplished, and I just feel like I have such a long ways to go, and that we're just getting started.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready to show my rock.